Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast with Nutella. First, let's gather everything we need. You'll want 4 slices of your favorite bread, like brioche, along with 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of butter for cooking and a generous 1/2 cup of Nutella for the star topping. Now, let's prepare our French toast batter. In a shallow dish, whisk your 2 large eggs until they are light and frothy. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently mix these ingredients together until everything is well combined and smooth. This will be the perfect coating for your bread. It's time to cook. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Take each slice of bread and dip it into your prepared batter, making sure both sides are fully coated. Place the dipped bread into the hot pan. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. The best part, once your French toast is cooked, immediately spread a generous amount of Nutella on one side of each warm slice. You can even make a sandwich by placing 2 slices together with Nutella in the middle. Garnish with your favorite toppings, like fresh berries or a dusting of powdered sugar. Serve warm and savor every bite of this sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.